Hey guys, what's up? Steve again, back for doing Ultimate Collection 15-16 case. Break number 525. So let's do this. We're live. Good luck. Teams are random, and we're going to figure them out right now. It is 10:49 in Newfoundland. Here's your list of names: Josh to Brandon, Anaheim to Winnipeg. And that's our list from last one. Here we go. Fresh list. Good luck. We'll start with the teams. No, start with start teams. 1, 2, 3, timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Timestamp on 3, 10:49. 10:49 it is. Last and final. Fourth and timestamp. 10:49. 10:49 it is. Edmonton. Finish on top of the list. Keep your eye peeled there. Edmonton, Arizona. Montreal to St. Louis. All right, there's your teams. Let's do the names. 10:50. Josh to Brandon. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Oh. Okay, timestamp here on 3 is at 10:50. 10:50, last and final. We'll do it. Let's copy them. For timestamp. 10:50. 10:50 it is. We got Corey, top spot, man. Congrats. Down to Jay at the halfway mark. And then we got Brandon to Stacy. All right, folks, here's your teams for tonight. Corey, Edmonton; Rick, Nashville; Curtis, Carolina; Jay, Winnipeg; Ian, Boston; Gary, Chicago; Jay, Philly; Pat, Buffalo; Jay, Colorado; Kelly, Tampa Bay; Brandon, Toronto; Kelly, Florida; Tanner, Ottawa; Pat, LA; Jay, Arizona; Brandon, Montreal; Curtis, Dallas; Newfie, Bullet, San Jose; Kyle, Islanders; Gary, Anaheim; Ian, Washington; Josh, Columbus; Ryan, Pittsburgh; Jay, Rangers; Josh, Calgary; Corey, Vancouver; Besser, New Jersey; David, Minnesota; Brad is Detroit; and Stacy is St. Louis. There's your teams. We're live for this one in 40 minutes. We'll see you then. Good luck.